All right, welcome back everyone to another episode of the Neals Next Door. My name is Darren, and this is our family vlog. And today it's not London's birthday today. Her birthday was yesterday, but it's a birthday weekend. So we drove up to Alpharetta, Georgia, which is about an hour north of us, to beyond the barn, where they have, London loves unicorns. She loves horses. So we're here. It's only us. We didn't bring anybody else with us. Only us. We are here to ride that little pony, who's a unicorn. Let's go take a look. His name is Scooter. And then we have another larger pony who's Harley. And you guys get to join. Look at this. Look at this. Security unicorn party. Casey got the same one, but in black. So the kids are inside right now. We're making horseshoes. So say hi, Scooter. You guys can see Scooter. Scooter's drinking water with a unicorn. So you can come, you take pictures. There's like little stuff, the props, so your kids can take pictures on. It's pretty nice. It's a small little area, but I think it's, for what we need, it's perfect. It's not too crowded. You know, one party just left, our party starts. It's just us, but I mean, you could either come with a group of people because they have it set up in like this little pavilion thing, you know, where she's gonna sit here. I'm sorry if it gets a little windy. There's another little barn area here. They're actually inside there painting the seahorses. Oh, it comes with a cake. We really came more so for the experience, just to give her a chance to take pictures with the ponies, hang out with them, because she really loves horses. She wants to do horseback riding. We're kind of on the fence about that because she doesn't really eat very well, so she's a little slim. I want to get a little stronger and stuff like that first, but we'll see how it goes. But let's join the fun. We'll tell you guys all about it, and maybe if you're looking for something different to do in Georgia, this might be something to check out, but we'll find out. Also, you can check out the full review on www.thenealsnextdoor.com. All right, let's do this.
And we call him Grandpa Harley because he's about 30 years old.
Wow.
And he actually is from a place called Save the Horses.
Okay.
And so by booking a party here, we actually give back to Save the Horses, all his old friends who are still there, who have not been adopted.
Gotcha.
We like to give back to them. So Harley was actually there about 5 years. No one wanted him. And then I came along and he suited our needs here, and he's just awesome.
Aww.
Yeah. And then over here is Scooter. That's our magical unicorn.
Look,
Scooty. And Scooter's about 18 years old, and I've had him since he was 4.
So this is Bear. Bear is about, oh, I scared Bear. Bear is about 4 years old. He's actually a therapy bear. So they use him to go from place to place, nursing homes and stuff like that. He's pretty cool. Whoa. Yeah, he's a little sweet little guy. Bear. No one rides him because of his age. So I found out something. None of the ponies have horseshoes because they don't need them. But, you know, they do get their hoofs trimmed every 6 weeks. I was actually watching Dirty Jobs last night, which was one of my favorite shows, and it actually just happened to be an episode about horseshoe, Fairer, I believe it's called. And Holly decided he wanted to come hang out with us outside the fence. So that's where everybody else is. This is where he is. He's just eating that good grass over here. And then London is living her best life. You just can't get behind Harley because he might kick. But all horses kick. All right, so that's London riding a horse with no help. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at you, Scooter. I know you're going for the gate. We're not going to do that.
Scooter's trying to break free still?
Don't break free, Scooter. He wants to be with Harley. Oh, come on.
I understand, Scooter. I want to go outside sometimes too. What do you think so far?
I like it. London likes it. As long as London likes it and Kason likes it, I'm good.
Only thing about London is that her facial expression. I don't know if she enjoyed herself or not. She's just so serious. Well, we'll see. We'll see what she talks about when she gets in the car because she's very shy sometimes. So she'll talk about experiences after. Like she's the person that if you have a surprise for her, you don't get any type of gratification for. Kason on the other hand.
Kason was more excited for her birthday stuff when he woke up than she was.
Kason is always. I put a ceiling fan in Kason's room and he was so proud. He was so happy. He's like, thank you so much.
Look at her.
And now we have Kason taking his turn. I've learned so much about horses in this time I've been here.
Oh, here's some trivia. A average size horse poops 50 pounds a day.
Wow.
Yep.
All right. So Kason's enjoying himself. He's out there saying wee wee. So he's having a good old time. We took family photos. It's been fun. Yeah. We'll just keep on going and we'll see what it's all about. Now, this is a private party, I believe, and I think Sherelle said it is $250? $220 is what we paid. So far it includes doing a little craft with the painting, went around with the horses, we got to meet the horses, pet them, well, ponies, you know, get to entertain, take photos, which is pretty cool. Like I said, as a different experience, that's what we're really into, trying to find things different to do. You know, I think it's worth it. The drive wasn't bad, about an hour drive north, hour and 15 minutes, depending on who's driving. But we're making moves. And look at this guy, Kason.
He's doing great.
Look at this guy. What's it called? I don't know the word.
Equestrian?
There you go.
Equestrian.
Equestrian. See, I was watching a whole bunch of stuff on horses this week in preparation of being a cowboy. Are on our way home. It was a fun experience. London enjoyed herself because she already asked if she could go back. Kason had a good time. He asked if he could put a hat on so he could be a real cowboy.
Sherelle, he put a hat on?
He wanted to when he was riding the thing. He's like, I'm gonna put a hat on so I can be a real cowboy. I was like, you are a real cowboy, but we gotta get off this now. So the lady, Joanne, I think it's Joanna. She's really nice, really friendly. She answers all the questions you guys have, you know. So if it is something that you guys are looking to do, you know, I think you should give it a shot. You know, take the private party, take the photos, let the kids ride the ponies, and have a good time. You recommend?
Yeah, London was able to ride for a long time.
Yeah, London rode for a long time.
I want to go again.
Okay, so you have fun? Yeah. All right, so we're in Forsyth County. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a chocolate shop, see what it's all about. But until next time, people, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want a full review, you can check it out on the nealsnextdoor.com. Until then, people, have a good one.